A lot of men, they buy these days. And the ones that have not buy at all, they are quarter to buy, honestly. Hello, everyone. Yes, just like we are still talking. How are you doing today? I know you're doing good. Take good care of yourself. And then take good care of your child or your children. Take good care of your hobby. Yes, I saw someone that her hobby have been stressed. Sometimes when you know that your hobby have stressed a lot, he tell you, hey, let's go out and go and men like to they like to enjoy things. And you know he need rest. Don't allow him to go out with you. Tell him, stay with him, pet him, make him sleep. If na Bekus go solve the matter, give him. Enjoy, stay with him. Why? Do you know why I'm telling you this? A lot of men, they buy these days. And the ones that have not buy at all, they are quarter to buy, honestly. Some, your husband don't take drugs, medicine. They don't take medicine when they are sick. Make sure you remind them. Stay with them, even pet them to take it. Do you know why? It's not easy to train a child alone. Single motherhood. I praise a lot of single mothers. They are trying. When you see them, trying. And some of them have tried a lot. But now God, they train children. Yeah, some people will say, yes, some children that train even when their parents are there. Now God, they train children. But single mothers too, they try. We not go come out, come they say, leave your husband. If you have your husband with you, please take care of your hobby. Love him, cherish him, show him a lot of love. So men, what they see in their business makes them to become tiger at home. Understand this man, because you need to understand him. You need that man. Don't allow anything to happen to that man. You see, I'm giving you responsibility of this man now. And now what of women? Who takes care of us? Now we they take care of ourselves. Women will take care of their children, take care of their husband, take care of the whole house, and still take care of themselves. Are you a woman there? You know that thing that will make you happy. Make sure you make yourself happy. You know that thing that when you are doing it, you are laughing. Please laugh. Laugh enough. Drink plenty water and make sure you rest. Sleep when you need to sleep. Love that has come. Some women will just walk from their time to time, and when they are doing this work, sometimes they don't know that they are hurting people around them. Yes, if you are overworked, stressing yourself, people that love you will not be happy. It's just that they don't know how to tell you to stop. Or sometimes you are disobedient, you cannot even stop when they tell you to stop. Are you doing the right thing? Yes. But you also need to do what? Take care of yourself. Those clothes that you don't even have time to wear again because of stress, you don't even have time to bring out your big boss and search for all those clothes that, I beg, go back. Go and bring those clothes now. Start wearing them. And when you wear them, snap a nice pics. Laugh at yourself. See it and say, oh, this is me. Why? You need a lot of love. When you have a lot of love, you can also give out a lot of love. Love other is telling you this. You can use it to build your relationship. And you'll be, wow, this is who I am. Have a happy home.